Thank you for clicking Dr. Samurai Minute Lecture. In this video, I would like to discuss what does human separate from nature really mean. My name is Dr. Samurai. I'm a professor specialized in international social pathology. What does human separate from nature really mean? Today's lifestyle and civilization of ours are clearly separate from nature. Separation from nature means we are foreign existence to the earth. Foreign existence necessarily offends the original environment. That means we are causing actions to the natural environment on the earth. And logically speaking, any action causes reaction in return. And that reactions are environmental distractions and human distractions, such as abuse and neglect that leads to problematic human minds. And what we should never forget about is this is happening within a closed circuit on the earth, on which everything is connected with each other organically. That means everything we do within this closed circuit is connected to each other. Thus, offensive acts to others on earth will always come back to us physically. Thus, if we are to live on this closed planet safely and peacefully without having any invasive element to us, is for us not causing offensive action in the first place. Our irresponsible, selfish, and self-centered invasive acts to the natural environment and other people, we can never live with safety and security within this closed organic circuit. In a nutshell, the only option for us to live on this closed planet is no invasion into nature and into others, just by coexisting and appreciating friendship and companionship with other living beings and other peoples. Please remember, we live invading into animals representing nature and other people. We are to be invaded back due to the laws of physics. If you are interested in this kind of deep discussions, please click that red Dr. Smith logo and let's create a truly peaceful world together, wherever you are on this small planet during this very short period of time. Okay, thank you, and you have a wonderful day.